Mexico is going to lose. So I'm getting ready for work already. And it's gonna suck. I'm only working 4 hours again, so that's good. And that's it. And my baby, she's hiding back there. Oh man.
Hey, so again, only 4 hours of work today. Yay! So I went to the gym. I went extra hard on that. I got my biceps, my shoulders, my back, my chest, my abs. So but I have to continue because the principal workout is a 40-minute run today. But I'm gonna take it easy because my upper body is hurting so much. And later on I'll be going to watch the Dodger game thanks to Manny. He got us some tickets. So thank you again, Manny, if you're watching this, if you ever watched it. Alright, later guys. So they are preparing for 4th of July. They usually always do a festival here, a little little festival. And they always throw a lot of fireworks here in the Rosemary Park. It's pretty cool. And right now I feel bad. My stomach hurts a little bit because I haven't eaten anything healthy today. But let's see how I do. Or maybe it was the workout, the weight, at the gym. Maybe that made my stomach hurt, that I worked out too hard. I don't know what's wrong with me. I was going 928 in the first mile, and then I kept on speeding up by itself, and then because I knew I was going fast in the end now, I was like, okay, I can't slow down. I don't like slowing down. That took me a little, that took a toll. It took a big toll out of me. But wow, I hit a 725 in the last 0.6 miles. Oh man, that's intense. And on my watch, my pace in the end was supposedly at 6:55 pace. Wow, I didn't expect to hit that at my fatness level. But yeah, today's a great day. Stretch a lot more because I went fast. And tomorrow for sure, I might have to hold myself back and not do a fast run tomorrow. All right, laters. So I got home and I put the clothes, I sorted the clothes, the blacks, the whites, and the colors. And I also already showered, and after showering I went to heat up some food that my baby Natalie made, and then after that I washed all my dishes, so hopefully Natalie's happy that I did something. And that was only 1 hour. Now I'm waiting for Manny and Isaiah and Jasmine to pick me up. Fuga! So this is what I'm gonna eat. Cilantro rice, potatoes, and turkey. And I have to eat it really quick because they're almost coming. Boom.
Or maybe it's one of those soccer moms that have like 10 kids. I tell Manny he was doing so good.
Are your brakes new?
Yeah.
What? It's squeaky.
Manny already freaking.
Because I got on.
Manny already worn them down.
Goddamn, Manny.
Man, you're doing
like
fine
I was
so
like
far.
doing this.
I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't want to borrow. I did today to give back tomorrow.
So close to the sky. Look at Oh, ¿está pelando?
Sweating.
I just looked at it like that because I was kind of surprised they would actually play Prince.
This is good paper.
I know, why would you waste it on a ticket?
This is great paper.
Don't wanna borrow, have it today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't wanna borrow, have it today to give back tomorrow. I want your love, don't wanna borrow, have it today.
Manny went all over there because he knows everybody here. That's Manny Mota, the legend. I got him, he's getting a hug! Manny's getting a hug from Manny Mota. You did it!
I haven't seen him in a while.
You did it! You got a hug! Wow! Look how happy they are! It's insane! 2 home runs in a row. ¡El diablo!
I get 2 points.
Isaiah gets 2 points.
Yeah, I just got home from the Dodger game and they slaughter the Pirates 17-1. Oh man, the game was so long, we left early. Now I'm so tired, I just want to go to sleep. Alright, good night and stay motivated.